Welcome in, welcome in. I'm Joystick Jerry. If it's your first time in, hit us with that subscribe button. Go over to the Whatnot app, give it a download. Go give us a follow over there if you're interested in buying retro games, consoles, handhelds. Give us a subscribe here on YouTube. Leave a comment, leave a like. Let us know what you think, what you want to see in the future. Today we are going to be cleaning and repairing this NES. We got a blinking gray screen, and we're going to find out why. So we're going to crack it open, and it could definitely use a good cleaning. That thing's pretty rough. So without further ado, let's get it cracking. Standard Phillips, 6 screws. As always, keep track of your screws, guys. It always helps when putting things back together. I lay mine in the table right here in front of me, in the order they come out, and in the same pattern. And if you're curious what the gray thing was, this is to magnetize and demagnetize your screwdrivers. You don't always want a magnetized screwdriver. Sometimes these just don't want to come out of there. There we go. This console is from one of our good friends, Ed. He was also the owner of our previous video, the Super Nintendo repair. If you guys didn't catch that one, that's got a we have a broken power port on an SNES we fixed. You can see the entire repair on the YouTube video, and then if you check my shorts, you can see us testing it. Always got to make sure things work. There we go. Number 5. Trying to give you guys a better view too. Kind of see what's going on here. Alright. Them 6 out. And give this thing a flip. There we go. So, actually pretty clean on the inside. Get a bit of a film there. We'll give that a wipe. But we're definitely going to get this thing, the outside of it cleaned up. So, next thing come off is going to be this metal shield here, which you're going to have, I believe it's just a 5 screws, maybe a couple more. We'll go through them. One. Really do appreciate you guys hanging out through these longer videos. Try saving the longer videos for something at least you know, you guys can maybe learn something from, or you know, little key in the back of your pocket there, something for you to always use, a little bit of knowledge. Over here. It looks like one more up there. We should be free. Okay. Oh, we got one more here. I don't know how I didn't see that. Looks like maybe we had something sitting here at some point. Maybe something leaked onto this. We're going to try to get you fixed up. Go. Get that slid out of there. It's in pretty good shape. A little oxidization on the left side there. Be your guys' right. So next we're going to take this tray out. The tray mechanism isn't too hard. 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brass screws. Brass colored screws go on your outside 4 corners, and your 2 silver ones are going to go back in to the inside. Remember that, or you'll send the wrong screws through and you will be very disappointed, I can assure you. Well, I believe this is probably the point where we're going to switch screwdrivers, so let's do that real quick. Switch over to something a little smaller. It's got to be one of the handiest screwdrivers I've ever bought. I mean, this thing ratchets, it's quick release, it extends, multiple bits. I mean, it's magnet. It's great. Great screwdriver. Absolutely great. I'm not sponsored, so if you guys want to look that up, go for it. Nice, cheap set. Everyone can afford. Excuse me. And I really wish we'd have had something. We went to Tennessee a couple weekends ago and was hoping to find some things. You know, we went to Pigeon Forge, Sevierville, Nashville, Ashland City, Clarksville, and man, it was not. We didn't find much at all, guys. Tennessee, you guys got to turn up next time we're there. Go all out, man. Let's see where you guys are at. We couldn't find any good video game stuff, no good retro toys. Or maybe, hey, maybe that's where all the collectors are. You know, Tennessee's blowing up right now. A lot of expansion and building, people moving down there, companies growing. Alright, let's rock this. This should be pretty simple. I'm going to give this... I still got one screw back here. I do. Still missing one. I think I am somewhere right there. Oh. Just want to be able to lift this board a little easier so we can get a look at it, see what's going on here. I'm going to slide this tray out of here. Press down, slide forward. That's all there is to it. Whole tray comes out. Let's take a look at this 72 pin connector. It's definitely dirty in here, so that could be all it is. Not seeing any real issues in the board. I'm gonna take that heat shield off to get to the other side. So let's go ahead and get that off of there real quick. Try being gentle with these connectors, guys. You know, they're old, like myself. It's just these two we have to get off. Correct. Really? Allow us to we can just flip this over. Set that right there momentarily, and that will do just fine. So, I'm going to take a quick look at the back of this, just make sure we don't have any bad capacitors. I'm not seeing anything swollen or leaking. These all look pretty good. Alright, so we don't have any missing components or anything like that I'm noticing. Definitely in a US board. Let's get these 72 pin connectors off. Just kind of grip the board and get this thing a shove back and wiggle. Oh, I think I see our issue already. It's going to be these pins more than likely. We'll go over this too and give it a good cleaning, but this does look like a replacement. He said it was possibly replaced. It looks like it, but we'll still give it a cleaning. It's because you never trust nothing, even if it's new. Always clean it. But you can see clearly these pins are rough. So, what I'm going to do is we're going to unplug actually I don't even know what really is I got to unplug. If I can get this to sit here, we can turn this way. Alright, we're doing things now. A little less disassembly. That's always good. So, There's multiple ways to do this. Erasers, deoxit, isopropyl alcohol. I see people use magic eraser. I nothing abrasive, guys. Keep sandpaper away from these pins. They are very thin, and once they're gone, they're gone. That's it. So keep the cleaning to these away from the abrasives. You know, you don't want to scratch them. Sometimes on these pins, though, all the way up to sandpaper could be required, depending on how bad they are. This looks like a replacement, so this should be good. But let's give these a thorough cleaning. Now, I always like to start with some Q-tips, which now that I'm looking for some, it looks like I've only got a few left, so hopefully this will be enough. If not, I'll run upstairs and grab a few more. Got 4 left over here. I always start with alcohol to get off anything that's already there, and this board is pretty dirty, so I think actually what our best course of action is going to be is to probably grab us a little container of isopropyl and scrub that whole board down first. We grab a small container. Alright, this will be a little bit easier to work out of here. Set this over here out of the way. We don't have any accidents. Remember, try to use the highest percentage alcohol as possible. Right, I'm using 91%. They do make higher percentages, and I would recommend using that. It evaporates a little bit faster. All right. Scrub this whole thing. pretty rough. Remember, if you're going to use microfiber cloth on electronics, dab, never drag. This side should be pretty dry by now. Alright, let's focus on them pins. Looking a little better. Let's do this side. Just swing this shit around. This should do pretty well. Don't want that flopping around, slicing any wires. Especially on a simple clean like this. So I'm pretty sure that's all this is going to be. Sorry for the break in the last repair video too. We're going to do this one take hopefully. Definitely uncut. So this may take us a minute, but I don't think so. I think that was probably our culprit right there. Yeah, the pins are looking a lot nicer now. Okay. You know, I'm actually feeling pretty confident about that. Separation there. Yeah, let's give that a test. We might have got kind of lucky with that one. Yeah, the right side, that helps, huh? Okay. just gonna test it real quick. So we aren't going to fully assemble it just yet. We are going to have to put those screws in. Hold on. Another little tip, guys, if you want to keep from stripping these screws out when you put them back in, go counterclockwise first till you hear a click. You'll feel it in your screw, you feel it in the screwdriver right there. And that's the screw setting in its original position from the factory when they first set it in. There's only one, should only be one set of threads there. Remember, silver screws in the middle, brass colored on the outside edge. We're just going to assemble this enough to test it. Quite lined up there. There he goes. We should be good enough to test there. Let's go check it out.